Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Windows 11 Your organization manages updates error. This message usually appears when Windows detects organization policies on your computer. First, disconnect any work or school accounts. Open Settings. Click Accounts from the left side, then select Access Work or School. If you see a work, school, or organization account listed, click on it and select Disconnect. Confirm by clicking Yes. After that, restart your computer and check if the error message is gone. If the issue remains, try the second method. Press Windows and type regedit and press Enter. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes to continue. In Registry Editor, navigate to H-key Local Machine, then Software, then Policies. After that, go to Microsoft, then Windows, and finally Windows Update. Once you reach this location, look for a key named AU or Windows Update. If either of these keys exists, right-click the key and select Delete. Be careful not to remove any other registry entries. After deleting the key, close Registry Editor and restart your computer. Thanks for watching.